Mnangagwa loyalists clash with ZIMRA over unnecessary delays. The 20th of August 2025, by political correspondent. ZANU-PF-aligned cross-border traders, 4ED has raised alarm over what it described as unnecessary roadblocks and repeated searches along the Beitbridge, Masvingo Highway, accusing the Zimbabwe Revenue Authority, ZIMRA, of frustrating trade. Speaking in Masvingo, Association Representative DJ Massomer said excessive checkpoints between Beitbridge and Masvingo were slowing commerce and inconveniencing travelers. Too many searches and roadblocks are unnecessary and are slowing down trade between Beitbridge and Masvingo, he said. Massomer noted that repeated stops from the border through Bubai, Rudenga and Gundu, Chibai turnoff and Wimpy had become excessive, calling for a single, thorough inspection instead of multiple disruptions. We are appealing for competent officials who can perform one thorough search instead of multiple stops that waste time and resources, he added. He further urged Masvingo Minister of State for Provincial Affairs and Devolution, Ezra Chadzimira, to intervene and ensure smoother operations. We urge the ministry to step in and ensure that traders can move freely without undue delays, said Massomer. The grievances reflect long-standing tensions between cross-border operators and regulatory bodies, with traders pushing for efficiency and professionalism to support economic activity along one of Zimbabwe's busiest trade routes.